Blessing Chibugo, and you are welcome to my channel. Are you ready to turn your free time to financial freedom? Then you are at the right channel. I will disclose top 3 side hustle for beginners in 2023 and beyond. If you are a student, stay-at-home mom, or an office worker that has free time, then this is for you. So subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell, like and comment for more videos. Mind you, you don't need any work experience, and registration is free. Now, number 1 is Timebucks. Timebucks is a reward site where you can earn real cash for performing various tasks and activities that you're ready to do every day. You can earn cash from doing things such as taking surveys, watching videos, voting, testing websites, installing free apps, playing games, performing web searches, and much more. They pay weekly via PayPal, bank transfer, ATM, Visa card, gift card, little coin or Bitcoin with a low minimum payout of $5. Timebucks is free to join and also has a referral program where you can earn commission for referring your friends. Now, when you use the link below this video, you will receive a welcome bonus. Number 2, Paidwork.com is a reward app that you can download on your Android device. The real meaning of it is that you will be rewarded based on specific tasks that you participated in, participate. So, playing games is one of the easiest way to earn with Paidwork. Then participate in surveys. Paidwork has 2 partners that offer surveys. They are Pool, Fish, then Beat Labs. Other ways to earn on Paidwork are shop online. Watching videos is also one of the easiest ways to earn on Paidwork. Then refer others to join. Don't forget, for you to join this platform is free of charge. And number 3 is Naira.com. Is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around Nigeria with customers who need other people to help them to support their online and offline business. Come to Naira.com. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. Naira workers are suitable for those who has less time for freelancing job and prefer to do quick tasks and get paid in Naira. You can be doing these tasks on a daily basis at your own free time. If you are in a hold up or you are preparing to go out, you can give your kids to perform these tasks for you. You can also do that to wait time in the office when you are less busy. But keep in mind that this is side hustle and is for the beginners and is not going to make you rich, but it can pay some bills at home. Thanks for watching, and please share to your friends and subscribe to these channels for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.